Touch onto your iPad. First of all, go to Safari and type in the website address that I've given you in the communications before this video. You'll see that up there in the address bar, and then press enter. Okay, that'll take you to this screen here with a highlighted bit of blue text in the middle. Looks like a hyperlink. Just click on that and that'll take you to where we need to install the app from. When prompted, either give your username and password or press install. You will be prompted a few times for the password sometimes only once. Okay, and once you put it in, you may have to put it in 2 or 3 times during this process. This time it's only been once, so hopefully in your sake it's only once. But once you've not been asked for a password for a little bit, go back to the home screen and you'll see an icon that looks like that where it's waiting to install the Mobile Touch app. Shouldn't take too long. It'll buzz around. Just take a couple more seconds. And then it'll be installed. Once it's installed, if you click on it now, it's going to tell you that it's from an untrusted enterprise developer. All that means is it hasn't come from the App Store and you need to give the iPad approval to use the app on your iPad. So go back to your Settings app and then find General, this one here, which is generally clicked first. Then scroll down the right-hand side until you see Profiles and Device Management. You go in there and you'll see one that says Bacardi Martini France. If you click on that there, you'll see the option to trust Bacardi Martini France, which is the Asseco or Mobile Touch app. Click on that and then say trust. Okay, so we've done that there now. We can go back to where the Mobile Touch app is and open it up. It'll open up and then it will ask you if you would like to if you'd like Mobile Touch to send you notifications. Yes, you would. And then log in with the details that's been provided. Okay, that'll obviously log you into the Mobile Touch system, and the first thing you'll need to do is replicate. So press replicate, and then you're off and running. This may take a little while as it's downloading all your relevant information onto your iPad to get you started on Mobile Touch. All right, you've installed Mobile Touch on your iPad. Once you replicate it, you're ready to start running and going. If you have any questions, please let me know. And don't forget, head over to the YouTube channel to see all the videos that you've seen so far, and press subscribe to know when the latest ones have been uploaded.